Hello kids, today we will learn a new sound. It's N sound. In this video we will learn formation, words, and we will listen to a song for N sound, and then we will do some activities together. So let's start. First, let's do the action together. Pretend to be a plane with your arms out like wings and say N, N, N. And now put your finger up and try to write N sound. It's down, up, and over. Now let's sing the song together and do the action.
Hear the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise.
Let's learn some words with N sound. We have net, net, nurse, nurse, necklace, necklace, nap, nap, nest, nest, nut, nut. And now it's activity time. Activity number 1. Listen to the story and try to say the words with N sound.
It is Sunday afternoon, and Nicola has gone fishing with her grandfather. While Grandpa sets up his fishing rod, Nicola puts her net in the pond and places a big bucket on the ground. Now remember, Nicola, says Grandpa, don't make any noise, or you will scare the fish away. Nicola sits very still and watches the birds and insects. She sees a line of little ants, a big white swan, and a brown and green newt. It is very peaceful. All she can hear are the robins singing. Suddenly, a plane flies over the pond, doing a noisy loop-the-loop. What a nasty noise, says Grandpa. But Nicola laughs. She holds out her arms and pretends to fly like the plane.
Activity number 2. Say the sounds and try to read the words.
Tin, nip, pan, tan, pin, nap.
Activity number 3. Click the pictures that begin with N sound. The first word is newspaper, newspaper. And we have nest, nest, necklace, necklace. Number 9, 9, nose, nose. And the last word is net, net. And this is the end of our video. Thanks for watching.